Hello, I'm going to be showing you the FITCAMX installation in a 2021 Ford F-150. So, first thing you're going to do is get yourself a T20 Torx bit so you can remove the original screw. Next, you will grab your mounting bracket. Mine was partially affixed to the camera, but it just pops right off these tabs. So you're going to take this guy and it'll fit right over the base. You'll also notice it does have this guy fits right inside the rear view mirror mounting hole. You can do that. You're going to replace it with a 1024 screw at 5/8 inch length. That will make sure that your rear view mirror stays in place once this gets in place. So put that in, go ahead and put it hand tight. All right, next thing you're going to do is remove the wiring harness from the back of your mirror. So you'll lift the tab on the bottom and just pull it right out. You will take the new harness that was included in the kit, attach it to the original connector. That guy will just snap right in, and then you'll take it and plug it into the mirror. Easy enough. Next, you can take your camera. It has the mounting holes right there that'll snap onto the tabs. So we'll go ahead and pop this guy right on. Just like that. Now, you can take the plugs and connect them together for the power. And they only go on one way. And you're done. From here, you can tidy up the wiring if you want. There's a little bit of space in the back of the camera where we can probably stow these. Or if that doesn't bother you, just let them hang. But now when you turn on your vehicle, the camera will turn on and start recording.